In this video, let's go together through NGL Anonymous Q&A app. I'll try to answer all your questions you have, and I'll try to do full and complete overview how to use this app, how it looks like, what features it has, like if you have any concerns and all of that. So I just recently discovered this app, probably as you did, and I was just playing with it for almost a day, and it's pretty fun. And yeah, so basically the idea is not new. The idea is you can ask your friends to post anonymous questions. So you can just post an Instagram story, and then people can so basically you ask questions, or like your friends leave some anonymous comments and all of that. There are a bunch of apps like that already. For example, YOLO app, but this app is focusing entirely only on Instagram, and it's pretty cool. So how it goes, like you just create your NGL link, friends answer on your Instagram story, and then you get responses in your messages inbox on NGL app, but you don't see who left these responses. You can also add even more messages to your Instagram bio. There is some kind of AI content moderation. They say we utilize deep learning rule-based character pattern matching algorithm to filter out harmful language and bullying. So that's basically that. And so that's how it works. And then you can see all these messages. Anyhow, so let's just open the app. I don't remember how I created an account. You just enter your Instagram username. So you need to obviously know your Instagram username, and you just enter it here, and that's it. Then you created your account. Then the interface looks super simple. Here in the top, you see your prompt. This is what you want to be displayed in your Instagram story. So send me anonymous compliments, ask me anything anonymously. You can always just reload to default, which is send me anonymous messages. Ask me anything anonymously, send a name for tell me what you really think. So there I'll do that as drop a name for to be honest. And then you can just copy link. So this is my link, for example. And then the next step is that you can share a link on your Instagram story. So I will show you how to do it. And they have actually a very helpful tutorial. So you just need to create a story, and then there is this sticker button in the top right where you can just tap on it. And then there is link button, and then you can just add link. You can pass your link here, and then next step, and then you can just share on Instagram. So anyhow, let's just do it together. So here is the Instagram story. What you need to tap stickers here in the top part. Then you need to search for link, and then you need to pass this link. You can also customize sticker text, and here it is. And then you just tap that, and then you can just share it as you share any Instagram story. That's that. So here it is, and now I will show you how it looks like. So now this is my story, this is how it looks like, and then if I tap on it, I can view link. Here is how it looks like. So this is what your friends will see here. So this is what they see, that you posted this link in your Instagram story, and they can just reply to you like that. Like you can just write anything. You can also use some suggestions, just random suggestions or something like that. And then you can also tap send. So send, that's what your friends would do if they see your story. And let's see what happens now. So I can just open NGL app, and I go to inbox, and here I see this letterbox where I can just here see this, and then it just says that's what I just submitted. I was just doing it for the demo for you guys to understand, but yeah, that's basically how it works. obviously I won't be answering my own questions. So that's what you can see from your friends, but as you can't distinguish like who sent that. There is no attached Instagram username. So one of your friends, one of your Instagram feed viewers, that's just who's seen that, but you don't know who that is. Then what you can do next, you can actually reply to that. So you can just add some sticker and all of that. And then just reply to this. So that's basically how it works. Yeah, and then you just post this story again, and that's that's pretty fun. So then also in the top left, you can report the story, but in fact, this is also the way to delete this message if you want to delete it. So you can just first report the user if you think that this message is inappropriate, and this probably will help the AI algorithm of the app, or you can just tap report and this will delete the message. So that's basically how it works. And then of course you want to tap this red button like who sent this if there is some spicy message or message which touched you. And then this app like offers you to subscribe. So this is how you can upgrade. And then like this app wants you to upgrade to the Pro membership. Pro members can see exclusive hints on each message. And Pro renews for $9.99 per week. So then you can just tap unlock. And it's pretty expensive, right? So it's like $9.99 per week. So it's like $10 per week, and it's a subscription. So if you leave it unchanged, it will charge you like, almost $40 per month. So it's per month, not per year. And then why you need to upgrade this? Because Pro members can see exclusive hints on each message. So like, you won't see the person who sent this. You won't see the exact username. You just will see some hints. So that's it. And that's so I was just doing some quick research for you guys, and then like on the Apple reviews of this app, people say that actually you shouldn't upgrade because the hints that this app gives are very general. So it gives something like the user on iPhone sent this message, or the user located in New York, or like something like that. And if you have a lot of friends everywhere, like it can be anyone who has an iPhone, or it can be anyone who is located in New York or something like that. Of course, you can identify some like Titan the Circle who could have sent this message, so it's just your decision. If you really want to see that, probably you can try to upgrade, but don't expect from hint to be really, really precise and to be able to tell what exactly and who exactly sent that. So that's how you can reply. So that's basically that. So there are all kind of messages like that. You can tap on your icon in top right, and then you can just tap to delete account. So this is the way to delete your account. You can also reach out if you need any help. You can follow on Instagram. If you need help, they suggest you to reach out on Instagram, but you can't message them on Instagram. In fact, unfortunately, that's what it is. So you can't message them there. But you can, I think you can go to their website and try to email them if you have any issues. Yeah, so that's basically that. Yeah, of course, you can go to Instagram and you can add this to your profile. So you can edit profile, and then you can add it to your website like this here. And then you can just add this link, and it's being added to the website. So that's the idea. And then of course, if like your Instagram is popular, people will just click on this link and you get a lot of messages in your inbox. Here Here, if you see the green message, it means that I already, like the green icon, it means that I already replied to this message. Gray, kind of grayish letter means that I read it, and colorful letter means that I didn't open it yet. And yeah, like I just shared it for fun. This story, Instagram story, got a lot of engagement and a lot of users checked it out. Because yeah, this app is going viral right now. I think it was featured on TikTok somewhere, or yeah, I don't know what's the reason, because I think it was released, it was built back in 2021. It wasn't in the top charts. Now it is in the top charts. You can, like, just at this moment it's like among top apps in the US App Store. So yeah, that's what it is. So yep, that's the idea. That's the app. Definitely give it a try. As you can see, you can use basic features for free. You don't need to upgrade. You can have a lot of fun. As I said, like if you create Instagram story with this, it can get a lot of engagement. And at least you will get few DMs from your friends, like, what is this? Can you explain what is this? I already got like few DMs like that, like, can you explain what you are doing here? Yeah, I was actually surprised that this app wasn't yet developed and wasn't viral for Instagram, because there were so many apps like YOLO for Snapchat, where you can do this stuff on Snapchat, but for some reason on Instagram there wasn't an app like that. But anyhow, this is what it is. Thank you for watching. Please like this video or send it to your friends, so friends can check out like how to use this app, and they don't need to spend like half a day as I did to figure out all the details around it. And yep, so thank you for watching.